Ever since the first case of COVID-19 was reported in the country, infants and young children have not been spared. In the new 193 cases reported on Monday, the youngest case is a 2-month-old infant. Owing to the generally mild nature of the disease in children, it was thought they could be community reservoirs of transmission in households, but emerging evidence suggests that children are not super spreaders of the virus.
A proportion of infected children, a small proportion, develop severe disease, often with prolonged intensive care and sometimes fatal outcomes.
Kenya has so far seen 768 children under the age of 10 years confirmed as COVID-19 positive, of whom 4 have died. On the other hand, 430 under 5 years have been confirmed positive, with deaths in this group being 2.
So you can see from these figures that, in fact, the proportion that die is very low, in line with what has been observed in other places.
Globally, a child's survival remains an urgent concern, with the first 28 days of life termed as the most vulnerable period of their survival. Global neonatal deaths stand at 18 deaths per 1,000 live births. According to the Kenya Demographic Health Survey of 2014, neonatal mortality stands at 22 out of 1,000 live births, with the recent statistics by UN Interagency Group painting a grim picture of 29 out of 1,000 live births in 2018.
Not a very good indicator, an indicator that we need to work hard on in bringing down the number of neonatal deaths. Newborn deaths now account for 42% of all under 5 deaths and 56% of all infants.
According to Dr. Aman, a myriad of challenges have hampered the ministry's effort in averting neonatal mortality in the country, with kangaroo mother care slowly catching momentum in the counties. Children have been part of the COVID-19 statistics in the country ever since its inception. In the last 24 hours, 193 people tested positive for the virus, bringing to 32,557 the number of confirmed positive cases. On a positive note, 225 patients have recovered from the disease, spiking the number of recoveries to 18,895. Sadly, 6 people have lost their lives, bringing total fatalities to 554. Dana Rose, K24.